How to train your puppy in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Start training from day 1. The most important thing you can do when you bring your new puppy home is to start training them right away. Even the smallest tasks like teaching your puppy their name, housebreaking, and basic obedience can all be started at the same time. If you start teaching your puppy from the day you bring them home, you'll have a well-behaved pup in no time. Step 2. Keep an eye on your puppy at all times. It is essential to constantly monitor your puppy. This means when you're at home, when you're out and about, and even when you're sleeping. Puppies are like toddlers, and they need supervision to stay out of trouble. Step 3. Feed meals in the crate. Crate training is essential for housebreaking and teaching your puppy basic obedience. Feeding them meals in their crate is a great way to get them used to it. Start by feeding them small meals in their crate and eventually work up to feeding them all their meals inside. Step 4. Make bedtime extra cozy. It's important to make your puppy's bedtime extra cozy. This is the time they're going to feel the most secure and comfortable. Make sure you have a cozy crate or bed, plenty of blankets and toys, and a nightlight to make their sleeping area as comfortable as possible. Step 5. Keep the training positive. Puppies learn best when the training is positive. Use positive reinforcement like treats, toys, and praise to reward your puppy for good behavior. Avoid using negative reinforcement like yelling or scolding. This will only create fear and anxiety in your puppy and make them less likely to listen. I hope these 5 simple steps help you train your puppy quickly and easily. Remember to stay consistent and keep the training positive. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this helpful, and leave a comment down below with any questions you may have. If you would like more tips on training your puppy, or if your dog suffers from bad breath, click the link in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your puppy training.